Every year, on the 19th of February, millions of people across India come together to celebrate the life and legacy of one of the most revered warriors and rulers in history, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Just his name is enough to send a wave of pride through the hearts of people. Among all the legendary kings India has ever had, Shivaji Maharaj stands out as one of the most beloved and respected figures in the history. But what makes him so special, and why is February 19 celebrated with such devotion? Born on February 19, 1630 at the Shivneri fort, Shivaji Maharaj was the son of Shahaji Bhosle, who was a Maratha general under the Deccan Sultanate, and his mother was Jijabai. Shivaji Maharaj's early life was filled with struggles, especially when his father remarried and left him and his mother in the care of Brahmanas, particularly Dadaji Khondev. But it was his mother Jijabai who became his greatest source of inspiration. A woman of wisdom and strength, she instilled in him the values of heroism, justice and bravery from a young age. Although there is a little known about whether Shivaji Maharaj received formal education, his courage, intellect and military genius were evident from a very early age. Growing up in a time when the Mughal Empire was dominating the region, Shivaji Maharaj's vision was very clear: to establish an independent Maratha kingdom. His ambition wasn't just to conquer lands, but to create a just and fair society where his people were treated with dignity, free from discriminations by outsiders. At just 15 years old, Shivaji Maharaj captured his first fort, a stronghold under the Deccan Sultanate, marking the beginning of his military career. He went on to build the iconic Raigarh fort, which later became his capital. One by one, he captured several other forts, including the Torana and Rajgarh forts, expanding his influence. However, his journey was not without challenges. After the imprisonment of his father Shahaji by Adil Shah, the Sultan of Bijapur, which he did to curb Shivaji Maharaj's rebellious activities, Shivaji Maharaj had to pause his military campaigns. But at that time, Shivaji Maharaj did not waste time. Instead, he focused on uniting his territories and strengthening his position. One of the most defining moments in Shivaji Maharaj's life came with the battle against Afzal Khan, a powerful general of the Bijapur Sultanate. Afzal Khan, who was ordered to eliminate Shivaji Maharaj, lured him into a meeting under the pretense of avoiding bloodshed. But Shivaji Maharaj suspected a trap and went prepared, hidden under his armor and armed with a weapon. When Khan attempted to strike, Shivaji Maharaj fought back fiercely, ultimately securing a victory for his forces. This marked the beginning of the rise of the Maratha Empire. Shivaji Maharaj's conquests continued to expand, first in the Deccan region, where he defeated the Sultanates of Bijapur, and later into Madhya Pradesh and southern India, taking strategic strongholds like the Jinji fort in present-day Tamil Nadu. His success on the battlefield was paralleled by his visionary leadership. As a ruler, Shivaji Maharaj was ahead of his time. He established a fair and efficient government that focused on the welfare of his people. His establishment of a strong navy helped protect the coastal regions and secure trade routes. He also introduced progressive reforms in administrations and taxation, ensuring fairness and equality. Shivaji Maharaj was a man of great religious tolerance, respecting all faiths, which contributed to the harmonious nature of his kingdom. What truly sets Shivaji Maharaj apart is not just his military brilliance, but his deep connection to the people. He ruled with compassion and justice, always striving to create a kingdom based on respect, freedom and fairness. His legacy continues to inspire millions, not only for his victories but for the way he uplifted his people and built an empire grounded in values that resonate even today. So on the 19th of February, as we remember and honor the life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, we celebrate more than just a warrior. We celebrate a visionary leader, a protector of his people, and a true hero who stood for justice, equality, and freedom. His enduring legacy lives on not just in the history books, but in the hearts of millions who continue to draw inspiration from his life and deeds.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.